Enjoy the view of this 2019 Jeep Compass. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Compass delivers refined sophistication, versatile SUV capability, the latest safety features, and an adventurous spirit. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, backup camera, fog lamps, keyless start, 4-cylinder engine, heated mirrors, steering wheel audio controls, multi-zone AC, dual zone AC, electronic stability control. Show them your style in the Compass. Get behind the wheel and go.